how to use keyboard in Roblox on iPad. So just a general explanation on how it's gonna work. Since using a keyboard with Roblox is somewhat possible, but only in a partial way. It is supported, but not fully, like on a PC or on a computer, something like that. You can usually use the basic keys such as the WASD for movement and the spacebar to jump and enter to open chat, but only if the game does allow it. Some games also support simple shortcuts, but overall the keyboard inputs depend on the specific experience you're playing, so it's not going to be fully integrated on all the games available since you're playing on a mobile device and the keyboard won't be expected when you're playing it from there. So developers have to enable it so it won't always work the same across all games. There are clear limitations. You can't use full PC controls, and many keys won't respond, and features like advanced keybinds, menus, or shortcuts may not even work at all. Mouse support is also very limited or inconsistent, but that's besides the point. You'll still rely on touch controls for your camera movement and UI navigation. So, in short, a keyboard and iPad does help with basic movements like somewhat like typing, I suppose, or movement if it is possible, but it doesn't replace the full PC gameplay experience. But it all pretty much also depends on what keyboard you're using. It's all pretty much limited. So again, all depends on what you have. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you though. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.